Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty, and it's that time of year where half of us are going crazy over anything pumpkin we can get our hands on. I'm not one of those people. However, I do love me some pumpkin pasta. Trust me when I say it does not taste like pumpkin. It doesn't, I promise you. My husband and my kids ate 2 bowls each of this, and they had no clue that it was pumpkin. They thought it was regular marinara. So, let me show you how. Trust me, you're gonna love it. But first, be sure to go to the Blackstone Products YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell, and you will continue to get notifications anytime we throw out some recipes for you guys to try. Now back to the pumpkin pasta. We're gonna start this off with some ground Italian sausage. We're gonna throw that down onto our Blackstone and let that cook over medium heat. We wanna crumble that up using our spatula or a scraper. Just get it down to bite-sized pieces or like your taco meat. Slide that to the side of your Blackstone and let that continue to cook. On the other side, we're gonna drop down some olive oil and some diced white or yellow onion. Let those cook in that olive oil, and now we're gonna prep some garlic. We're gonna give some garlic cloves a quick smash. Then I have some fresh sage leaves. I love sage, it's beautiful. I love how pretty they are. We're just gonna rip them off of their stem and give them a quick little chop. Back to our onions, we're just gonna give them a toss, give our sausage a toss, and now I'm gonna divide my onions up in half. I want half of them to be in with the sausage and in the pasta, and the other half is going to go into my sauce. So I'm going to add a little bit more oil and those smashed garlic cloves just for a minute or two until you can start to smell them. So we're just going to drop down our sage and let that cook just for a minute, and then we're going to add those onions, garlic, and sage into a blender or food processor. I suggest using a full-size blender just to make your life easier than I made mine. So our onions, our garlic, our sage. To that we're adding some heavy whipping cream. Then we're gonna add our pure pumpkin puree. You don't want the pumpkin puree that has anything else added into it. Give this a scoop of mascarpone cheese. Mascarpone cheese is so delicious. It's like an Italian cream cheese. It gives this sauce a real velvety, creamy texture. Stick this on my food processor and let that blend up together. You'll see it get darker orange. It's ready to go. Set that aside while we finish the rest of our ingredients. So to my sausage and my onions, I'm gonna season it with a little bit of pepper and salt and some crushed red pepper flakes. This gives it a little kick of heat, but not too much. To that, I'm throwing down some diced roasted red peppers. You can buy them right out of a jar. Give them a toss, and then I'm gonna just saute some fresh spinach leaves in a little bit of butter. Give everything a good mix to incorporate it all. This is almost done and it smells heavenly. We're gonna add a little bit of ground sage for that fall flavor, which I love so much. Now we're just gonna add our pasta of choice that we pre-cooked. Give this a toss all over the Blackstone. It's great having so much griddle space versus a pan for this pasta. We're gonna add our pumpkin sauce, give it a good toss. If it's a little too thick, you can always add some of that reserved starchy pasta water, which you should always save whenever you make pasta, just in case for finishing your sauce. Once this is all coated in that gorgeous sauce, we're gonna top it off with some pecorino romano cheese or parmesan cheese, whichever you like better, and some extra sage leaves, and this is a slice of heaven. I promise you, it does not taste a thing like pumpkin. I hope you guys try this. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you take a picture of it, post it, tag Blackstone Betty, tag Blackstone Products, go to the Blackstone Products YouTube channel, make sure you're subscribed already so that you're not missing any of our recipes. And until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video.